Assalamu alaikum to everyone and Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So today we are going to start a new topic that is known as carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a topic of Unit 4 that is known as food and diet. And before this topic we have been studied the topic that is known as protein. What is protein? Let's just have a short review over the protein. What is protein? Your muscles and organs are largely made up of protein. Eating food and are rich in proteins. Your muscles and organs are largely made up of protein. There are these parts of your body to grow and stay healthy. Which parts? Protein help to grow organs and muscles. Protein is made up of amino acids. Your body needs amino acids to work properly. While your body can make some types of amino acids, it cannot make all of them. Another amino acids are available in foods that contain a lot of protein. There are foods that are rich in protein, which is red meat, which is fish, which is poultry, which is egg, beans, nuts, and rice have different categories of foods contain large amount of protein, which is useful for your body. So, which help to grow your muscles and organs. Okay, this is your activity. If you don't eat enough food with protein, you may become tired and your body may not be able to repair damaged parts properly. What is this? What is this property? That if you don't eat proteins, take enough foods having proteins, then the body may get tired and your body may not be able to repair damaged parts properly. So what is the activity time? Let's just begin. Which of these foods contain lots of protein? Put protein in your plate and draw lines from the food to the plate like this. It contains protein like this. Okay? Now red meat, chicken, chocolate, potato chips, potato, fish, apples, egg. Which of these contain proteins more? Now this is your question. You have to write it in your notebooks. Why does your body require protein? Why does your body require protein? For grow and stay healthy. ठीक है? Muscles and organs are largely made up of protein to make your body grow and stay healthy. Now this is a topic, carbohydrates. So let's just begin with our new topic, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a type of There are different types of things contained in the food which are needed for our body. Some are carbohydrates, some are proteins, and some are others. We are going to vitamins, minerals, and many more, which is needed for your body for the growth and energy of your body. Now, there are two types of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Let's just begin each by each. What is carbohydrate? Simple and complex carbohydrates. Both types provide the body with energy, but complex carbohydrates are better for you. Acha. The simple carbohydrates and the complex carbohydrates both provide the body with energy. Both of them provide energy, but how useful energy, how we get our body with these things, and how energy have been required. Acha. Provide the body with energy, but complex carbohydrates are better for you. They are saying that there are two types, carbohydrates, simple and complex, and they're saying that the complex carbohydrates are better for you. Now how they are better for me? For us, let's just study. Simple carbohydrates are sugars. Our body needs sugar. Okay? Due to sugar we are growing, right? What is sugar? Sugars is the essential part of our body. Our body is full of sugar. That's why sugar is necessary. Now simple carbohydrates are sugar. Now which type of sugar it is? If you eat sugar, you will get a boost of energy. Due to sugars, you get a boost of energy. Okay? Now however, the energy boost will not last very long. If you eat in a sugar, your body will boost up of the energy, right? If you are hungry and you don't have enough food, so you take a drink or milkshake or simple food, like simple drink like sugar drink, so your body will boost up and you don't need to eat enough food as sugar is enough for your body. if you don't have it, right? Sugar give us so much energy for your body. Now however, this energy boost will not last very long, ठीक है? But the thing is, simple carbohydrates are sugars, ठीक है? They boost up your body, but they do not last very long time, ठीक है? Now you will lose energy quickly. How? Through simple carbohydrates you will lose energy quickly, because it will boost up your energy level, and you lost it very fast. Now what is carbohydrates? The carbohydrates are starches. Now what are complex carbohydrates? They are starches. They also provide energy, but the body takes lot longer to digest starch than to digest sugar. They also provide energy. Both of them provide energy, but the thing is, they get a boost up and they will not last very long. They also provide energy, but the body takes lot longer to digest starch than the digest sugar. Now इसको डाइजेस्ट करने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है स्टार्च को, यानी कि कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को, और इसको डाइजेस्ट करने में जल्दी. This means that you will have more energy for longer time if you eat food and starch, because ये इतनी जल्दी जो होती है digest नहीं हो सकता. That's why it takes larger time to digest. If you eat food and starch rather than food with sugar, ठीक है? Food with sugar and food with starch, as compared to this will easily digest and this will hardly digest. Now in this story you have been looking here, this is the turtle and this is the rabbit. Now in this story by Aesop, a hare and a tortoise have a race, ठीक है? These both of two have a race. The hare races ahead and looks as if he will win the race, but he stopped to take a rest. He falls asleep, and the tortoise passes the hare and goes on to win the race. What do you think the hare might have eaten just before the race? Yes, maybe the hare had too much sugar. What might the tortoise have eaten? Yes, the tortoise have probably smart enough to eat food with lot of starch before the race, right? Now this is the thing, there is a race between a turtle and a hare races. Now the thing is, he has eat something like what he have eaten, ये भागता है, ठीक है? He run, but suddenly he get easily, I guess he has been having a sugar boost which does not last very long, and turtle, that's why he falls asleep, that he will win the race, but he didn't, as the turtle is some kind of complex carbohydrates, as he also run or walk slowly, but due to his stupidity, the tortoise win the race. Now here are some food that have complex carbohydrates. Rice, corn, potatoes, beans, carrot, apple and grapes. These are some kind of food that are used for the complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are contain starches, and then to digest sugar, and longer to digest starch than to digest sugar. Now what is this? Not enough carbohydrates. If you don't eat enough food with carbohydrates, you don't have enough energy to do all the things that you need to do, ठीक है? You have energy. If you don't eat carbohydrates, you do not have enough energy, ठीक है? Now what is the activity time? You choose of this is the same as protein. Which of these foods contain a lot of complex carbohydrates? Put carbs on the plate by drawing lines from the food to the plate. Now इसमें से आप लोगों ने क्या करना है? Carbohydrates point out करने हैं, and what you have to do is to draw a line to the plate and point it out. This is your activity time, and this is your question that you have been performing in your notebooks. And what is this? This is only question 1. What are two types of carbohydrates? There are two types of carbohydrates, that is simple carbohydrate and another is complex carbohydrate. Which is better to eat? I guess better to eat was a complex carbohydrate if you want lasting energy. How many times do you eat this type of carbohydrates every day? Explain it in your own words, okay? So this is your topic. I hope that you have been understandable. This has been understandable. This is the easy topic and related to your daily life, and you have been known what is carbohydrates and how they are categorized, and what food you have been eating to get carbohydrates to your body to boost up energy. So I hope you have been easily understandable. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.